Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna make some cow foot, curry cow foot with some tripe.
All right.
So here I have the cow foot and I have some cow tripe here. So I'm blending them together. So here I have some thyme, I have scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, garlic, some pimento berries, some ginger, and then here's all my spice. I just list them. I'm gonna just go ahead and cut up my tripe now. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna wash them off with some lemon and some vinegar. All right, so I washed them, so I'm just gonna scald them off with some
Hot water.
hot water. Okay, so let them sit here for a few minutes. All right guys, so I'm gonna pour this off the hot water. So this is my curry. I like to use two different curry. This is the curry from Jamaica. I always like to use some Jamaican curry.
Yeah, I was able to get it. I just came back from Jamaica, so I was able to get it for her.
And I'm gonna use some of this. It just give it that nice flavor. I'm using some dry jerk seasoning. This is from Jamaica too. And this is some adobo. I just go ahead.
And she don't measure, she just sprinkles.
So this is some complete seasoning, some seasoning salt, some black pepper, onion powder, and this is pink Himalayan salt. Not too much. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and season this up now. All right, so I'm just gonna leave this there for about 2 hours. So here I come. I'm gonna put a little bit of cooking oil in my pot. Then I'm gonna put a teaspoon of the curry in there. You just wanna kind of scotch the curry a little bit. They said burn the curry, but you're not really burning it. So now I'm gonna go in with my cow foot. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this sear a little bit. This is very important, guys, for you to sear the meat when you're cooking curry, and do not pour the water on it with the curry. Just season like that before you sear it, because it can just hurt your belly and give you that smell. I don't know, some people do it, I don't like it. Okay guys, this is seared now. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna put it in my quick pot. I have some garlic here. I'm gonna put it in, and this will help soften up the meat. And here I have a piece of ginger. The ginger going in, the pimento berries going in, the garlic going in. All right, so I'm just gonna pour some hot water in there. So that should do it. Wait, so there I set the temperature.
45 minutes. What we did, we added some water and it's heating now.
All right, so I'm gonna go in with my green herbs. Some butter, scallion, onion. This is soft. The meat is not bad, it's pretty much soft. All right, so I'm gonna let that cook down a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, let's see here.
Ooh, that is bubbling.
So I'm gonna put in the beans now, and then I'm gonna give it my taste test. This is the beans, but I like to rinse off my beans, so I'm gonna go back to the sink. And then I'm gonna go in with my pepper. I'm gonna give it a little taste too.
How is it?
I want a little bit more salt and a little bit more all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt in there. Yeah, that's about that. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of
Creole.
Creole seasoning. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna cover that and leave it to cook a little while longer. This is a final touch. This is finished. Look at this gravy. So now guys, I'm gonna plate it. So let me put some beans over here. Ooh wee. Alright guys, you see this? Ooh, this looks so delicious.
Alright, you're excited, Mom.
And I can't wait to dig it.
Don't burn yourself. Take a bite of that tripe and that cow foot.
Guys, look, it's so soft.
Don't burn yourself.
Too hot.
How's it, Mom?
Delicious. I'm telling you, you should be here to eat some of this. I would share it with somebody now.